Hi there, this is Hina. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincerest appreciation to all of you for subscribing our channel. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe it now and don't forget to share it with your friends and click the bell icon so that you never miss another upload. So what is this easiest way to earn rupees 1200 per hour just by sitting at home without even taking a risk to go out? What is the way? Well, as you all can see on your screen that it's a website by the name of TutorMe. And if you enjoy teaching and want a flexible way to make extra cash, you just need to join their community of tutors. So what you should do to apply in this website? First, you have to click on the apply now button. As you can see that there are many more details they have given on their page only. It's a make extra money, flexible schedule. You decide when and how often you want to tute. You know, you are not restricted to any particular time, and it's super convenient. Tutor from anywhere, just with having a computer along with an internet access can be a tutor on this website. And how does online tutoring with us work? So here we go with the complete details how you start the application. For the application, you just need to go to the link as you all know, and then you need to click on apply now. Let me show you apply now. You need to click on this link. Here it is, apply now. And after applying now, there will be an interface like this, and you need to sign up with your Facebook ID. Okay, but it's advisable that you should create a new FB ID to log in here, as it will be more appropriate. So after the completing this login part, then you will be having a new interface where you have to fill up all the required details like your name, email ID, and your contact number, etc. Hereafter, you would move to another page on where you need to create your tutor profile, and you should focus on this part emphasizely. Yes, you should focus on this part really very carefully, because it is the section where you will be projecting yourself. I mean, in order to get hired, this is the part that will work as a milestone for you, because your learners or students and maybe sometimes their parents will be checking out this. And if you won't make it professional, won't make it classy, how it will attract them, you should write your sparkling star points here. Hope you get what I'm telling. That after giving your education details, in the next section you would find subject list, where there are 300 plus subjects, and in the list it is profoundly a good thing, as any tutor belonging to any subject can use this platform and earn money just by sitting at home. Although I believe that not only for money, but well, I know money is a prime requirement, but you should check it out to enhance your teaching skills as well as learning, because we learn more while we teach, and it's purely a suggestion. I mean, it's up to you what is your prime requirement for now. As far as subjects are concerned, there are a long list including subjects English, maths, engineering, biology, physics, etc., etc. And you can apply from anywhere. All you need to have is a laptop. And for the minimum eligibility, one must be a graduate. If you are not a graduate, then you must complete your graduation first. It is the minimum requirement they want. By completing this part, you have to give some answers from the question they have asked you on their website itself. And don't worry, this will be a subject specific only. For example, if you are graduate with biology, then the question will be from your subject only, like question will be from biology subject. And if you are from English subject, question will be from that subject only. Okay, so having completed all these sections, you need to submit that. After 10 or 15 days of your submission, they would contact you through the mail ID that you have been provided them. If you got selected, they won't mail everybody. Okay, They would mail only those person who got selected. And here is the main point. Guess what? Well, it is the reward for your hard work. Yes, you got it right. It's your salary. So, for per 1 hour teaching, they will pay you minimum $16. If we convert $16 to Indian rupees, that will be 1000 to 100 rupees in lump sum. And this is starting from here onwards. You can up to $50 per hour. Yes, you can up to $50 per hour. All you just need to do your hard work with your heart. And you just need to make an impressive profile and to establish a good connection with your learners. And one more interesting point I would like to add here also, that if you don't want to teach in any specific subject but want to earn, then also you can check it out, as they are hiring several teachers for several other activities. If you have the knowledge of singing, if you have the knowledge of music, if you have the knowledge of guitar playing, piano, etc., etc., and you are interested in teachings of pianos and these sort of things, these are really magnificent skills you are having. If you have these skills, then also you can apply for the same. Please share this video with your friends so that they also get some benefit from it. This is Hina signing out from today's video. Thank you.